How about you book one? Click on maybe like tomorrow or later today. Show the 24 hours. That's probably better. Find a time later and click on it and book it.
There you go.
And type something here and book it. And okay. Success. Do you see it, Jason, on the calendar?
Yeah, it's gonna refresh the calendar on my side here. Yeah, so I see one here
Okay.
for the Soldier Boom from Christy.
So anything you do working, only with the exception, maybe you need to go back there and do that consent again, because that consent is actually the giving the permission of the room display panel to be behalf of the service account. So you have to give that consent. So what I can say is try the consent one more time. Otherwise, we gave the system a little bit, Microsoft a little bit time to get those permissions sync in. If still not working, that is something we on the back end here to do to see if we are able to okay with the limited only instead of review.
So yeah, so you're gonna look into seeing if it can be done with the limited only.
Yeah,
the
because
viewing?
I think our code is based on reviewer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if we need to make it reviewer, I can do that. I just if we could not, because I know some of the higher ups like it to be a little more opaque.
I understand.
That would be a deal.
We should able to do it with reviewer only. I mean, we know those kind of permissions. So I just need to have my guy to look at the code. So can you just do it with reviewer? Because we do have some functionality that you can actually show the actual organizer, but those are even require higher. You need to be editor to see who's the actual organizer, because you're looking at the detail, the meeting detail now.
Yeah.
So our choice of the configuration is based on subject, which is should be reviewer, and then
well, because like if you look at the limited details, like it does only give you who made the meeting. Like if you look at these ones here, if you click on the C or the K there, Christy, you'll see that the meeting is being called Cornerstone or Christy. It's as its subject instead of.
Yeah, he's just a subject. Yeah, it's just Cornerstone. Yeah,
because it's using, but that's not the subject I typed in, and Christy didn't type in her name as the subject. She typed in test. So it is only showing the organizer, not the name. That's what limited does.
If we can leave it as that, and if
that's what I want him to look on his end to see if they can do that, because right now the RDU can't display it that way. It needs the subject, and the service account isn't allowed to look at the subject.
Yeah. So I will go back and look into that.